It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day, and I am in Rancho, Santa Fe, in San Diego County, doing a special one-day installation of a barrel colony. Just kind of giving you a sense of the views from this beautiful property. Here are our Baja Cresta boulders and our decomposed granite, and now let me show you what's happening over here. We have our client's gardening crew is helping us out. Mel is on his way, and I've also, of course, got my Hannah. And our challenge today is to outfit this area here with those boulders that I just showed you. And then we are going to plant barrels en masse. Now, this is just the beginning. We have 30, 25-gallon barrels coming from Caesar, from Sun Valley. And we also have an additional 25 5-gallon barrels to add to these 15s. So this is going to be en masse with barrel cactus. It's going to be incredible. Up there up top is, look at how they do this. They're so strong. Look at that. How they're able to move those rocks. It's amazing. But up here is a water feature all across the top. And we will be adding exterior illuminance as well for a nighttime viewing. The master bedroom is in this area right over here. So they will be able to see this at night, all illuminated. It's going to be amazing. So we have capped all the irrigation, turned it all off, don't need it. They have a hose bib over here on the side to do a little hand watering and dusting. We are weeding as we go. There's not a lot, but we're getting up what we can. And just, for perspective, these represents 3 tons of boulders. So all that you see up here, plus these over here, total of 25 pieces of rock. And I asked for 2 foot minus. I probably should have asked for 1 footers because some of these rocks are we're really pushing it to get them up that slope. But these guys are really, really strong. So who knows? We might just make it. Anywho, so here we go. I will assist them, in getting these rocks staged. Luckily, the ground is very soft, and we are digging hammocks for them to make sure they're anchored. We don't want any rolling down the hill. And we'll continue to get going.
That's perfect. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome.
Okay, so Caesar we have offloaded all of these 25-gallon barrels. These came straight out of the fields this morning. So the guys are working on cleaning them as best as we can before we roll them up the hill. I don't want to water, get water, make mud down here. So we're going to do the best we can down here, and then I'll be hosing them off really hard once we get them up there. But look, guys, right? So we have 30 of the 25s. We had 30 of the 15s. 30? 25. No, 25 15s. One has to go back. Come on over. Let me show you. So you'll know what this looks like. This one, see this right here? All that brown and black, that's rotten. So this one's going back to where it came, which is Home Depot. But that was the only casualty in all that she bought. So check your barrels. If you see that, sorry about it. It's not going to survive.
You've done enough tests.
Yeah, I've tried. Unless you want a gigantic wound right at the top of your barrel. So it's, you might be able to save it if you excise all of the rot and expose it to air. but then you're going to have a hole in your cactus. So it's up to you. Anywho, so we have dug out little craters up there. And, you know, you can see how the guys are doing this, where they're putting it inside the tarp and then cradling it. It's incredible how strong these guys are, because these barrels are not light. They are very heavy. Yeah, and look at how they moved all of these boulders up here. It's just insane. So you can see how they're doing this. We're obviously starting at the top and working our way down. We have, after these 30 25s go in, then we have another 25 5-gallon to put in. And then we have all these little 1 gallons that she has had laying around. We'll go, you know, just spot those throughout. So I think, you know, we should have pretty decent coverage by the time we're done. I don't feel like I need to say anything, right? Isn't it so stunning? This has been a dream of mine ever since I started working with cactus and succulents, to do a dedicated barrel colony. And the universe finally said, "You've earned it, girlfriend," and put me in the path of this incredible homeowner that believed in my vision and said, "Yes, let's do it." So this is 80 barrel cactus, 80 plus barrel cactus, varying in size from, you know, tiny to massive. And I think it's so fascinating the way the boulders are transformed once we got the barrels in. Now everything just meshes, and I don't even need to speak, really. I mean, you guys get it, right? There's no irrigation. She is going to have her guys install some lights, so that'll be pretty. We have DG, stabilized DG, as our top dressing, and she had these sunburst pebbles, and the guys brought them up. I thought I could use them, and I really like the way we created this wavy, you know, little frame for our barrel colony. It's just perfect, and I just couldn't be happier. I'm so appreciative of her crew. Her guys worked tirelessly on this, and we were able to knock this entire thing out in 5 hours with a lunch. So amazing how quickly people work when people know what people are doing. So many, many thanks to my client, to her crew, and to Mel and Hannah, to my vendors, to KRC Rock, to Bart, and to Caesar from Sun Valley, from Brandon at Desert Theater, who also provided some of the barrel cactus. We hope that you will be happy in your new home barrels, and that you will make new friends with each other, and that you will live happily ever after. This is a south-facing area in Rancho Santa Fe. It is going to get hot, hot, hot in the summer, and honestly, I just can't think of anything better for this particular space. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you are inspired by it, and I hope that you will do the same in your own yards. This has been Laura Eubanks reporting for Design for Serenity with Mel Hannah in Rancho Santa Fe, and your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.